Hi guys, it's me again, Randy. So today I'm just playing with paint. I've got an old canvas and I put a little bit of a pillow down. And I'm just experimenting with different bases and different kinds of paint to see if I can make something work. Something like a bloom. So what I was thinking, I've got some paints, house paints that are satin, and they are actually separating. The pigments are at the bottom of the jar. So I thought, why not get some of the top part and see if I can use it like for a cell activator. Because it is a base for a mixed house paint. So it's like, why not? Why wouldn't it work? So that's what we're gonna find out today. So I made up some colors, or I got some spare colors. The blue was from my wave I did earlier. And then I made this silver. And I got some purple left from previous pour as well. And then I made a pinkish cell activator. Because why not? I could. It's fun. I like pink. That silver. And put this on top. And I also put in some glue. I don't want to blow it out too much, so I'm gonna try and use a straw. Okay, first I'm gonna just blow in the middle. Okay, let's see. I saw these really cute modified blooms and I was like, I want to try this, and I'm not sure if I can. Let's put a little bit more paint on the outside because I want to spin it. Okay, let's give it maybe a little torch. Let's see if it wants to spin. Okay, it's going over here. I like that. I want to see if I can get it to go over on this side as well. It's almost over on this side, and maybe a little bit more help on this part. Yeah. Okay, let's spin it again. Okay, I think I need to stop spinning because I'm going to ruin it. So I'll show you the right result when it's done. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all doing great. Bye guys.